In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get cheap shipping on ACBuy step by step. So you want to make sure you go to the shopping cart here, click on view cart, assuming that you do have something already in your cart. And then you want to select all, make sure you click on estimate. And then you want to put in the weight of the product. So I just put 5. Make sure the product type is common goods. Click on select all and then click check now. And as you can see, you'll have a bunch of different options for shipping. And you'll notice that EUB-M is the cheapest one, $10.12 USD. And the time for delivery is also 12 and 20 working days. So you want to make sure that you have the correct weight, and then this should apply to whatever you're looking to purchase. And then after that, you want to return back to cart, and then you want to click on checkout. And as you are going through the process of purchasing the product, you will have the option to pick that shipping option. Thanks for watching.